This video introduces you to the Case Details screen, which is a screen you see after you have located and opened the desired case. Let's look at some of the things you can do from the Case Details screen. When you open a case, the data that has been saved in the case is shown in the data fields on this screen. The case's states and possibly phases are shown across the top of the screen. This gives you a visual indication of how far the case has advanced through the stages of its life cycle. In this example, the case has advanced through the application entered, reviewed and interviewed states and is currently in the position offered state. If your application was designed to include phases, they are shown in a box with a drop-down arrow. Decision and acceptance are phases in this example. Phases are typically used when you have states that are alternatives of each other. In this example, the decision phase has two states, position offered and candidate rejected. The case would only be set to one of these states, which is why they are grouped in a phase. In this example, the case's current state is position offered, which is in the decision phase. Your case may have a number of case actions available that you can perform from this screen. The case actions that are available at any particular time depends on the case's current state as well as your user permissions. The name of the case action describes what the action accomplishes. Depending on the action, it might display a form on which you must enter information and might change the state of the case. Work items associated with the current case, which are being offered to you to work on, are listed in the Work Items pane. To work on one of the listed work items, simply click on the entry in the list. Typically, a form is displayed, which is used to complete the work item. The Milestones View shows you a list of all the states through which the case has advanced. It provides the date and time the case was set to each state, as well as the user who moved it to each state. The Business Audit View lists all of the events that have occurred in the case since it started. This is sometimes referred to as the case history. Some of the events in the Business Audit list can be expanded to show additional information pertinent to that event. Documents can also be saved with a case. If documents have been saved, they are listed in the Case Documents pane. From this pane, you can upload documents to save them with the case, download documents for updating, as well as delete documents that have already been saved. Uploading and deleting case documents are recorded in the case's business audit. You can easily view details about other cases of the same case type by selecting another case from the menu in the upper left part of Case Manager. Thank you for watching this video.